I first noticed when I had essential tremor when I was in my 40s. I didn't know what it was. I could just feel just a little bit of hand tremor, very small. My name is Bob Carlton. I'm 81 years old. I like to do woodworking. I make little kids' toys. I make little cars and give them out. My essential tremor, I could feel it start growing. So I went to a family doctor and he didn't know what it was. And so he sent me to a neurologist. He says, "What do you do for a hobby?" And that's when I said, "I do woodworking." He goes, "You work with a saw?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Well, you need to be careful." Spent 2 tours in Vietnam. I was a navigator. And then I got out of the Navy and went into IT programming. It was hard to do any of the things that I had done in the past 20 years. I couldn't build model airplanes. I couldn't do woodworking. It was hard to eat. We tried pretty much every medicine there was. My urologist says, "You're running out of options. You need to go ahead and do the DBS." Having the surgery, it doesn't hurt. There's no pain. The brain doesn't have any feeling up there. The neurologist told me during the procedure, he says, "We're gonna drill a hole." That's where the device goes in. He said, "It's gonna be loud." And it was. And they said, "Okay, we've got the correct placement for the wire. Let's turn it on and test it." They turned it on and tested it. And he said, "Hold your hand up." And I did this, and I was able to not do this or anything like that. That was unbelievable to me. I always wanted a Porsche. It's kind of my pride and joy. It's just fun. It was life-changing to me. Come out of surgery, and I don't have this problem. Boston Scientific provides the best support to their product possible. The grandkids, I think they were amazed to see the change. I call it life-changing, and to me that's what it is. It was everything it was meant to be.